Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. It's no longer just a futuristic concept, but a present-day reality. AI is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and transportation. Its impact on businesses is undeniable, creating unprecedented opportunities and challenges. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions is reshaping business models and strategies. Companies that embrace AI are gaining a competitive edge, while those that resist risk being left behind. The AI revolution is here, and its impact will only continue to grow in the years to come. The transformative power of AI lies in its ability to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and create new products and services. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As AI continues to evolve at an exponential pace, it is crucial for businesses to understand its potential and adapt their operations accordingly. The future belongs to those who embrace the power of AI and harness its capabilities to drive innovation and growth. AI is poised to revolutionize the healthcare industry, improving patient care, accelerating drug discovery, and reducing costs. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, aiding doctors in early disease detection and treatment. AI algorithms can analyze patient data, identify risk factors, and personalize treatment plans, leading to better health outcomes. In drug discovery, AI is being used to analyze massive data sets of molecular structures, significantly reducing the time and cost of developing new drugs. Robotic surgery assisted by AI is becoming increasingly common, allowing for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision and faster recovery times. AI-powered virtual assistants can provide patients with personalized health information and support, improving patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans. The integration of AI in healthcare is transforming the industry, empowering healthcare professionals to deliver more effective and efficient care, ultimately leading to a healthier future for all. The financial industry is experiencing a seismic shift with the advent of AI. AI-powered algorithms are transforming everything from fraud detection and risk assessment to investment management and customer service. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets of financial transactions in real time, detecting fraudulent activities with greater accuracy than traditional methods. AI-powered chatbots are providing personalized financial advice and support to customers, enhancing customer experience and reducing costs for financial institutions. In investment management, AI algorithms are being used to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and manage portfolios, often outperforming human fund managers. AI is also being used to automate loan underwriting processes, making credit decisions faster and more accessible to borrowers. The adoption of AI in finance is revolutionizing the industry, creating a more efficient, secure, and customer-centric financial ecosystem. AI is transforming the customer service landscape, enabling businesses to provide personalized and efficient support at scale. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries and requests. These chatbots can provide instant responses to common questions, resolve issues, and even complete transactions, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex and nuanced customer interactions. AI algorithms can analyze customer data, such as purchase history and browsing behavior, to provide personalized product recommendations and offers. AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can gauge customer emotions from their interactions, allowing businesses to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. By leveraging AI in customer service, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction, build brand loyalty, and drive revenue growth. The rise of AI in customer service is creating a new era of personalized and proactive support, where businesses can anticipate and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Section 5. The Future of AI, a World of Opportunities and Challenges. The future of AI is full of promise and potential, with advancements in AI technology occurring at an unprecedented pace. AI is expected to play an even more transformative role in our lives, from personalized medicine and autonomous transportation to smart cities and space exploration. However, the rise of AI also presents challenges that must be addressed. Ethical concerns surrounding AI, such as bias in algorithms and the potential for job displacement, need to be carefully considered and mitigated. The development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles that ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial for society to engage in thoughtful discussions about its impact and to establish guidelines that promote its responsible use. The future of AI depends on our ability to harness its power while addressing its challenges, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. Section 6. Adapting to the AI revolution, a call to action. The AI revolution is not a distant future, it is happening now. Businesses that embrace AI and adapt their operations accordingly will thrive in this new era, while those that resist risk being left behind. Adapting to the AI revolution requires a fundamental shift in mindset, embracing a culture of innovation and agility. Businesses need to invest in AI talent, develop AI strategies, and foster a data-driven culture. Collaboration between businesses, research institutions, and governments is essential to foster innovation, develop ethical guidelines, and ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Education and workforce development programs are crucial to equip individuals with the skills needed to succeed in an AI-driven economy. The AI revolution presents both opportunities and challenges. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a better future for all. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it is imperative to address the ethical implications of its development and deployment. AI algorithms are not inherently objective. They are shaped by the data they are trained on and the biases of their creators. Bias in AI algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, facial recognition algorithms have been shown to be less accurate in identifying individuals with darker skin tones, raising concerns about their use in law enforcement. It is crucial to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for AI development and use, ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. Transparency in AI algorithms is essential to understand how decisions are being made and to identify and mitigate potential biases. The development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles that prioritize human well-being, fairness, and social good. The rise of AI is transforming the job market, automating certain tasks, and creating new job opportunities in other areas. While there are concerns about job displacement, AI is also creating new roles in fields such as AI development, data science, and AI ethics. The key to navigating the changing job market is to adapt and acquire new skills. Education and training programs that focus on AI-related fields are essential to equip individuals with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Governments and businesses need to work together to provide retraining opportunities for workers whose jobs are displaced by automation. The transition to an AI-driven economy will require a concerted effort to ensure that no one is left behind. The impact of AI on the job market is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach, balancing the need for innovation with the well-being of workers. AI is rapidly becoming a key driver of global competitiveness. Countries that invest in AI research and development, talent, and infrastructure are positioning themselves for economic leadership in the 21st century. The United States and China are currently the leading players in the global AI race, with significant investments in AI research, talent, and companies. Other countries such as Canada, the United Kingdom, and France are also making significant strides in AI development. International collaboration in AI research and development is crucial to address global challenges such as climate change, disease prevention, and sustainable development. However, the competition for AI dominance also raises concerns about the potential for an AI arms race. It is essential for nations to engage in dialogue and cooperation to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. The AI revolution is upon us, transforming businesses and industries in profound ways. From healthcare and finance to customer service and beyond, AI is reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. While the rise of AI presents challenges such as ethical concerns and job displacement, it also offers unprecedented opportunities for innovation, growth, and societal progress. By embracing AI, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness its transformative power to create a better future for all. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport. It is a call to action for businesses, governments, and individuals to adapt, innovate, and collaborate to shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity.